Good afternoon, ma'am. Today we discuss the topic on a static keyword. So, static keyword is it is a Java is used for memory management. Memory management only mainly. We can apply static keyword with the variables, methods, blocks, and some nested classes. Then the static keywords belong to the class, then instance to the class. The static can be variable, also known as a class variable. Then method known as a class method, then block and nested block. Then Java variable. If you declare the variable with as a static, it is known as a static variable, like a static the static variable can be used to refer the all common properties of all the object, which is not unique for each object, like example, the company name of the employees, college name, surname, college name of a student, etc. Then the static variable gets memory only once in the class area, in the time of the class loading. Then advantages of a static variable: it makes your program more efficient. That is, it saves more memory. Then understanding one example. Suppose we create a class student, in that enter roll number, then string name and a string college. We can create this variable. Then another example of a static variable. So we can create a one class student. In that enter roll number, enter roll number, that is the instance variable. String name, then a static string college name, that is a static variable. We declare a variable with as the static keyword, that is a static keyword, static variable. Then another example of a static keyword. So static variable is used to create the variables which will have a externally, which will be exit independently of any instant created of the class. Only one copy of the static variable exists regardless to the number of instance of the class. Then static variables are also known as a class variable. It is known as the same as the class variable. Then local variable cannot be declared as a static. Local variable cannot be declared as a static. The static keyword. Then static method. So static keyword used to create a method which will be exit independently of any instance created of the class. It is known as a static method. So static methods do not use any instance variable do not use any instant variable of any object of the class that are defined in static methods. Take all of the parameters and computing something of this parameter with no reference of the variable. Then class variable and method are declared using the class name followed by do not and name of the variable of the method. Example of a static method: the static modifier used to create the class, method, and variables. Like example, we create a class ABC. Then we create a method, public static int add method. So we declared a method as a name as a static. So in that we another method, protected static int get count. This is also method. In that we create one main class. In that in sysO statement, we write some message for that. Then output of this program is a hello message. So in that static method also declared as a name as the static keyword. Then another static variable. So the static variables exist regardless to the number of the instance of the class. Thank you.